Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
Alright, guys, so today we're going to be doing a review slash unboxing of our Maddox Radiator Pressure Test Kit. So I apologize, I didn't put out a video last week. I've been busy trying to get stuff, trying to focus on some stuff. So we're back and we're going to do a small review slash unboxing of our Maddox Radiator Pressure Test Kit. It's going to be part number MD-B51. So as you guys probably seen in my last video that I put out 2 weeks ago, we fixed our charger and we used this tool to help us find the leak in the system, which turned out to be our radiator reservoir. So we're gonna go ahead and go over this. I also have the Maddox Universal Radiator Adapter Kit or set. This is going to be MD5B1 as well. So let's start with the kit. So before we get into the kit, I had a Maddox version of the radiator pressure test kit, and I actually really liked it. It come with a few adapters, and those adapters seem to fit every vehicle that I used with no problem. The biggest problem was constantly having to use the pump or squeezing it in order to pressurize the system, and it would just take forever. Eventually that broke on me. So I wouldn't recommend that Maddox for somebody that's constantly needing a radiator pressure test kit. That's more for the home DIYer, in the sense of, you know, you do one car every once in a while or you use it on your own car. It just couldn't hold up. So before this one, I'm going to admit I tried to go cheap. I went with the Pittsburgh version of the radiator pressure test kit. The reason why I did that, it was on sale for the Inside Track Club member, and it had a bunch of adapters. So I was like, okay, it'll work for my vehicle and work for everybody else's vehicle, and I'm getting it on sale. Well, unfortunately, that out of all those adapters, it did not fit my vehicle. So we returned that, and we went ahead and got our Maddox version of the pressure test kit. Actually, this is normally $130. When I purchased it, it was full purchase price, but shortly, like 2 weeks after, they put it on sale for $99, and I took it to Harbor Freight, showed them my receipt, and they gave me the $30 off. So that was pretty cool. So the adapter kit does not come with the pressure test kit. You have to buy this separately, and I believe this is $49 or $59. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So you get your owner's manual, and here is your tester. So for my charger, I didn't need any of the adapters. I just needed this. This is very good quality. Now, I can't speak for over a lifetime of this, or I can't speak on it as I've used it a lot. I've used it 2 or 3 times, and it seems very sturdy. It seems very like it's gonna last. This is a heavy metal. I like that. The hose seems pretty nice. It does seem a little flimsy, but not too bad. The construction of it is just, it seems really great. It seems really sturdy. A lot sturdier than the Pittsburgh version that I had purchased. This was like plastic. The fittings were not tightened down properly. They were loose. So it was just really bad. One thing I really like about this is, unlike my Maddox that I had, a couple pumps, and it's pumped up to 21 psi. So that's pretty cool. I really like that about it. So it comes with a couple adapters, so you are getting some adapters, and these actually lock in to the blow molded case, which I think is pretty cool. I'll show you guys here in just a second. So it comes with a few adapters. So I'll show you what I mean. They're not coming out. They're actually locked in there. So anyway, I think this is a really nice kit. If you're looking for a radiator pressure test kit and you know, for a decent price, I would definitely go with this. Like I said, I haven't used it extensively. I've only used it a couple times, but it has not disappointed me. So far, I'm very happy with it. I should have went with this in the first place, but you live and you learn, right? So we're going to move on to our universal radiator adapter set. So I bought this just in case I needed it for my charger. I ended up not needing it, but I went ahead and just kept it. So basically what I'm assuming you do is you just screw this on. This will fit in the radiator, and then you put your cap on it, and you can pressurize it. So this is pretty cool. Like I said, this is it seems very high quality construction. There's nothing, I don't see any construction problems with this. Not like I did with the Pittsburgh brand. It was just very flimsy. It was just not, it just was not good, guys. I don't know what else to tell you on it. So I'll go ahead and try to put up a few clips of me using it. I know I don't have a video of me actually using it, pumping it up, but I'll throw up some clips from my last video so you guys could check that out. I haven't really been working on cars lately, so I don't really have too much of a video, so I thought I would go ahead and just bring this out and show you guys and give you guys my opinion on it so far. Like I said, I've only used it a couple times. I've had it for maybe about a month, and I've used it a few times, so I really like it so far. It hasn't let me down. Let me show one thing I want to show you. On this, on the cap, it kind of locks down. I don't know if you can see it moving, but it locks down. One negative thing, it's not really negative, but one thing that you could say about this is the way to relieve the pressure once you have this pressurized is basically slowly releasing the top here. And you know, I had coolant in my reservoir and I was checking to ensure that there was no leaks. Well, I let this go too fast and it actually threw out coolant from the top. So you might want to be mindful of that. But other than that, I have no complaints. So far, this has done me really well. If I come across anything negative as I'm using it, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. This is a short, simple video. I at least just wanted to get a video out this week. I know I didn't get one out last week, so I'm trying to make up for it. So we're going to get back into the rhythm of it here soon. But for now, here is your Maddox Radiator Pressure Test Kit. If you guys have had good luck with these and used them extensively, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Let me know how well it worked or if it didn't work for you. And that way I can see for myself. So I'll go ahead and put a link to these down below. So if you guys wanted to check them out on Harbor Freight's website, you guys can go ahead and do that. So there you have it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Hopefully it was a little informational. I know I kept rambling on, and it's a real quick video, but I hope you guys like it. And if you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.